Every sustainable product begins with what was once considered agricultural waste. Fresh banana stems hold valuable natural fibers hidden beneath their moisture-rich layers.
Careful handling preserves fiber quality before industrial processing begins. The journey from field to factory begins within hours of harvest. Speed is essential to preserve fresh fibers before natural degradation begins.
Every batch is examined before entering the production system. Consistent raw materials ensure consistent final products. The first stage of industrial preparation begins with thorough cleaning. Clean raw material is the foundation of hygienic manufacturing. Now the hidden fibers will be transformed into the foundation of modern sanitary products. Inside the factory, precision machinery begins separating nature's strongest fibers.
Powerful rollers reveal the valuable fibers hidden inside every stem. Nothing is wasted, as every material follows its own processing path.
Repeated washing prepares the fibers for hygienic industrial applications.
Controlled moisture creates the perfect starting point for precision processing.
Advanced inspection ensures only premium fibers move forward. Uniform alignment improves consistency throughout every production stage. Carefully controlled drying strengthens every natural strand.
The transformed fibers are now ready for advanced refinement.
From this point forward, precision engineering transforms natural fiber into the absorbent core of modern sanitary products.
Natural fibers are refined into a soft, uniform foundation for absorbent materials.
Air-powered separation improves purity without damaging delicate fibers. Carefully measured blending creates consistent absorbent performance. Uniformity is essential before precision forming can begin. Temporary storage keeps production flowing without interruption.
Automation controls every gram entering the production line.
Vacuum precision transforms loose fibers into uniform absorbent cores.
Every layer is measured to meet strict manufacturing tolerances.
Digital inspection maintains quality at production speed.
The refined core is now ready to become the heart of a finished sanitary pad.
The absorbent core receives its soft protective surface.
Multiple engineered layers combine into a unified structure. Controlled heat creates a strong yet flexible bond.
Precision adhesive ensures secure performance during use.
Protective layers preserve product integrity through packaging and storage. Every edge is reinforced for strength and comfort. Precision cutting gives every product its final profile. Automation shapes every detail with remarkable consistency. Final shaping prepares each product for detailed inspection. The product now enters its most precise stage before quality approval. Every product is examined with machine-level precision before finishing. Every product is examined with machine-level precision before finishing.
Only products meeting strict standards remain on the production line.
Engineered textures improve comfort without changing the product's strength. Automation maintains both speed and exceptional accuracy.
Every product is sealed to preserve cleanliness until use.
Every package must protect its contents from factory to consumer. Every package receives a unique identity for complete traceability. Accurate counting prepares every package for final approval.
Before reaching consumers, every batch must prove its quality through rigorous testing.
Random sampling verifies that every production batch meet the same strict standard.
Every millimeter is measured to ensure manufacturing consistency. The absorbent core is evaluated for speed and uniform liquid distribution. Retention performance is essential for reliable everyday protection. Comfort depends on keeping the surface as dry as possible.
Every bonded layer must remain secure throughout the product's use.
Strict hygiene standards protect every product before packaging approval.
Thousands of measurements become one complete quality decision.
Only fully approved products continue toward final packaging.
With quality confirmed, the finished products are ready for their final journey to consumers.
Automation prepares every retail package with speed and precision.
Every package is sealed, identified, and ready for distribution. Retail packages become shipment-ready cases for global logistics. Precision stacking protects every shipment during transportation.
The finished products are secured for safe handling across every mile.
Organized storage keeps every shipment ready for rapid distribution.
Every approved shipment moves one step closer to consumers worldwide.
From agricultural byproduct to finished hygiene product, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce sanitary pads from banana stem fiber, from start to finish.
Innovation, sustainability, and precision come together to transform natural resources into essential everyday products.